Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the default event duration on the Google Calendar application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now scroll down till you find the settings section and click on it. Then tap on general, the first option. Scroll down till you find this default event duration section and click on it. Now you will be able to select from a bunch of duration times ranging from 15 minutes to 120 minutes. So just simply tap on the one that suits your preferences, and then this function has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.